Took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face.
Because what the fuck you looking at?
Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube. So we're at the hair store and this is the wig I picked out. I'm gonna do an install video on it. Hi you guys. As you can see, I went shopping for a wig and I got some other stuff. But that's for another video. That's gonna be in another video. That's like a little, yeah, anyways, this video is gonna be my wig install. This video is gonna be my wig install video. I took my braids down. Look at this. Took my braids down. And ignore the white stuff because that's the edge control I had on. I gotta wash my hair. Anywho's, y'all, we about to, I bought this, about the deep conditioner in my hair, and then I bought some grease so I could grease my scalp before I put my wig on, because y'all, it's been a minute since I did my hair like wig wise, but we're gonna do this together. For the girlies who don't know how to install a wig, we're gonna do this together. And I don't think we're gonna do no baby hairs. I'm starting not to like the baby hairs. It's not giving what it should give no more. It's giving childish and I don't like them no more. So we're gonna see. Hi you guys, I'm back. I twist my hair because I don't know how to fucking braid. So I twisted my hair back and I got it twisted to the back and then like a little ball. It's gonna work, y'all, I promise. If you don't know how to braid, I suggest twisting your hair and then like twist it back in a way and it works. All right, y'all, this is the beauty we will be putting on. So it is by, hold on, let me turn this music down. I don't know how to say it. It's by this brand. It's a extra deep lace. It's an extra deep lace frontal wig. It is 5x5. It goes ear to ear. We're gonna take it out so y'all can see. It wasn't much. It's affordable. I'm gonna see if I can find it online. Let's see if I can find it online. You were crazy as hell. You were so innocent. I fell in love in the back of a cop car. Hold on, y'all. Okay. It's long. It is long. You can wash this hair. Apply wig conditioner on it. Yeah. And it do take heat. It does. It takes heat. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm back. So, period. Nah, look, y'all. Up close. You can part it pretty much anywhere. Hold on, let me show y'all. You can part it pretty much anywhere. It's free part. You can part it anywhere. Like, yes, you can. I like it like that. See, look, y'all, this is the inside of it. Part it anywhere. And it is already look like, you know, pre-plucked. But me personally, I'm gonna pluck it some more. Huh? Because I like it more plucked, you know. Maybe I don't need to. Hold on, y'all. I got it on my head and look at that. I'm so sorry. Period. We about to slay this bitch. Yeah. We about to slay this bitch. Like, what? We about to slay this. Yeah. We about to slay this girl. We about to slay this girl. I am gonna pluck some more though. You should go and find someone else. Another up close. Girl who treat you like you treat them. Like, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. This wig is a beauty. I'm in love. You said what now? You said what now? Huh? Oh, okay. Look. Huh? Oh, okay. Alright, hi y'all. I'm back. And instead of putting makeup on my lace, I'll use some tint spray. This is how it's looking. I'm about to put it on. I was supposed to put it on last night, but I got tired. But we gotta put it on, so give me 1 minute. Alright, as y'all can see, I plucked it to my liking. I might pluck it some more. No, I'm not. I like it like this. It's fine. It's fine. Alright. Let's start. That's it. As y'all can see, it goes ear to ear. And so what I'm gonna do is cut so my ear won't cover it. So I have enough room for my ear. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me see. It comes right here. Alright. I'm left-handed, so it's kind of hard to cut being a lefty. Let me cut it. No. That must be the dumbest shit you ever seen. There we go. That's gone. Alright, there we go. I gotta do this side. So hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. So that's where it got to be across the lace. I'm not gonna do no glue because I don't want that gunk on my wig. Plus I'm gonna be taking it on and off, so I'm gonna just do got to be today. I'm blow drying. I'm gonna put the girlies on. This spritz, that's mousse, this is what melts the wig. Look at that. This is what melts it. Hold on, y'all. My camera about to die, so I'm gonna have to Give me a minute. As y'all can see, melted. Melted. I should have plucked it some more, but I'm not gonna do too much on it. I'm not gonna do too much on it. I'm gonna pluck some more over here, but that's it. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm hot combing it. I plucked the middle some and used some more tint spray. I'm hot combing it on 5 due to the fact it's a synthetic blend. And I am going to look at that. You said what now? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This shit is easy as fuck. Bitches, this shit is easy. I think I ate this up. I ate this up, and this is a synthetic blend, but you can't tell. Yeah, I ate this up. Let's get a close up right quick. Close up. I ate this up. Ate this up. Period. Ate this up. Thank y'all for watching my little install videos. Period.